Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my presentation. My focus is dental implants and cosmetic dentistry. I have helped many patients improve the conditions of their teeth and obtain their ultimate smile. Our clinic aims to provide our patients the most developed treatment with the latest equipment. Our mission is to revive people's smiles, to enhance self-esteem, and make a beautiful, healthy smile available to each one of us. With advanced implant dentistry combined with cosmetic upgrades and implant denture technologies, we will provide our patients the best treatment possible. Now, I would like to begin my presentation. We have 50 minutes. Since we don't have much time, I will focus mostly on implant-supported dentures. This is my CV: education, job experience, and activities. Since the time is limited, I will explain about the slide briefly. We have a website in 3 languages. The website includes some interesting case studies. If you wish to explore more interesting clinical cases, you may visit our website. In our study, we created implant retained complete dentures. The subjects were edentulous patients in their 50s and 60s. I would like to present a summary and my use of magnetic attachment in a few cases from our study. Japan is becoming an aging society. The ratio of people over 65 years old will reach 20% in a few years. By 2050, the ratio is projected to reach 32%. In China and Korea, the birth rate is declining even faster than in Japan. So, in the future, our main clients will be senior citizens. Their jaws are not strong enough for standard dentures. Therefore, the best treatment for them must be implant-supported denture. Japan, China, and Korea are all becoming societies of older people. There are other types of retainers. However, the bar system and the magnet system are 2 of the most stable systems. I would like to present a few cases from our study and examine both systems. I used 4 implants set polygonally for better stability. I will be talking about implant-supported dentures using both the bar system and magnet system. Let's compare the bar and magnet systems. Here is the initial examination. This is the patient condition and panoramic radiograph at the first consultation. In the bar system, implants are placed so that they are balanced on the left and right sides. In the case shown on the right, this is a little bone resorption in the mandibular anterior region. So, implant placement for the magnet system is possible. This is the final denture placement. Denture stability was achieved. The client got a denture that is not aesthetic but also functional. These figures show the load of lateral force on the retainers By using magnets, we can reduce the load on the implant body. We need to use some caution when applying magnets. There are several magnet types. The most effective one is a flat magnet. Both the bar system and the magnet system are easy to clean, but the magnet system is the easiest. Now, let me show you a video illustrating the attachment and removable of these dentures. This is a video of setting the denture. It is easy to set the denture for magnet system because this is no destruction of this direction in magnet system. For bar system, we must pay more attention to set the denture due to the direction of clips. We measure the resistance force against denture separation with the tension gauge. 動かなかったです。Even 500 gram separation force will not remove a denture insert into the implant. We prefer to the magnet system as the first choice in order to shorten treatment time and reduce cost. In our study, we created implant retained dentures. We used the bar system and magnet system as retainers, and we examined the characteristics of each system. Implants have been effective retainers, which increase the stability of dentures and efficiency of mastication. The subjects have also experienced an improved quality of life. There are a number of types of retainers. However, the bar system and magnet system provide relatively high stability compared to other types. I would like to share with you two different special clinical cases I had recently regarding implant fixed prosthesis and implant supported denture. Most of these human teeth were treated by a dentist, and many of them could not be preserved before coming to our clinic. This photograph was taken in the first consultation. The patient had unstable occlusion and could not chew hard food. Aesthetic dissatisfaction was also a chief complaint. In this slide, you can all see how the total appearance is changed by our treatment. Our treatment lasted for 2 years, but our patient appearance looks much younger than before the treatment. At last, the most important is the coordination with the lips. As you can see, you could achieve a beautiful smile line. The patient was very satisfied with the result. These are the occlusal views of before and after the treatment. We adjusted the cervical line. Stable support for occlusion and better teeth line were obtained by implants to the molar region. 5 implants in the mandible and 1 implant in the maxilla are inserted. The implants were embedded in the proper positions. A good arch form of upper and lower teeth line is achieved. This patient is a female, 51 years old. She has serious periodontal disease and the gum is obviously swollen. We cannot keep the remaining teeth. We remove them all. The entire process took only 8 months and cost quite a bit less than a fixed prosthesis would have. It is important to assure the teeth arrangement is harmonized with the lips. Stable occlusion, dental aesthetics, and comfort are achieved. We removed the remaining teeth and created a denture with magnets. By using implants, we could create a prosthesis with satisfying functionality and enough strength to maintain its position. There are 5 implants each in the mandible and maxilla. This case called for a combination of partial dentures and magnetic implants. The magnetic implants prevent the dentures from pressing into the gums, allowing the subject to bite down firmly, and the absence of metal clasps creates a beautiful aesthetic image. Here is another view of this case. The upper jaw is a full magnetic implant supported denture. The lower jaw has partial denture on each side, supported by magnetic implants with non-metal clasps. Conclusion. If bone resorption of the upper jaw is progressive, to make prosthesis with implant for toothless maxilla, denture have more aesthetic advantages than fixed prosthesis. I am convinced that denture with the implant will be a very effective recovery treatment for the coming aging society. Denture supported by implants are very stable and provide a high efficiency of mastication. There are various retainers, but the magnet system is especially reliable. Due to their unmistakable advantages and high compatibility in our hospital, we prefer to use the magnet system as a first choice in order to shorten the treatment time and keep the cost low. If you have any questions, you can send me an email in English. I would like to start a better information exchange regarding implants and making implants more widespread in Japan, China, and Korea as well. Thank you very much for your attention. 谢谢大家。
那非常感谢这个刀车口说啊，为了节省时间做了这个中文的这个 slide， 所以非常感谢的。看到大家有没有什么问题，可能抓紧点时间，因为今天上午的可能大家很感兴趣吧，时间会晚一点。我稍微说一下，下午咱们不是2点开始，今天下午是从1点半开始啊，大家一定准时一下。中午呢就是吃个饭休息一下，看看有没有什么问题。好，这位，那个这位者那个话筒稍微快一点。
你好，我想问一下那个上颌的种植体一般您用几个磁性的附着体，就是无牙颌的，这是第一个问题。第二个问题，如果是说用的话，您的每个磁性附着体都是提供多少颗粒的？How many？
中文可以了，中文可以了。時間の問題、幅が。
老学に何本インプラントを介入してオペレンチをするかっていう、マグネットの場合だと何本介入する？
僕の基本は4本です。4本。
基本是做4顆。あと何グラムの維持力？
何グラムってさっきは500グラムだったけど、ちょっとそのグラム数は測ってはいません。
季節にグラム数が入ってたんじ
ゃない？750。1本が750グラムです。
它现在在中国也有那爱知制钢制做的那个，在中国也有卖的。他选择的应该是750克。
谢谢。就比如刚才有一个5个种植体的，它那个您一般。 般用几个那个磁性捕捉器？
少年の中で5本毎入するケースがあったんですけど、
都用还是用4
選
个？
んだか、それとも全部。
5本を選んだケースは、彼女は幼稚園の先生で前歯すごく作業があるんですね。そのために前歯に教えて、ほとんどの場合は前歯はものすごく吸収してて入れられないケースが多いけど、彼女の場合ちょっと特別だったんで、だから1本追加しました。
5本のインプラントを入れあれが、
そうですね、
マグネットを入れてます。
最低4本、できれば5本、それ以上いらないといいです。
那个上颌一般是4颌，他做的4颗比较做的多，然后那个病例是做了5颗，5颗是因为他的上颌前牙有一个他的职业是老需要咬东西，那么在上颌前牙一般骨吸收比较多一些，很少能种植进去种植体，那么当然种的比如说能做5颗，做5颗可能比较更好一些。
Thank you, good question.
好，我们给那个Dr. 狗斯伯格发感谢状。
Thank you very much.
下面